The suspicion had been right. You are cheating me.
No, Saibah, no. I didn't cheat you. Believe me, please.
And what is your explanation? You really hurt me, Raji. Do you know I love you so much?
Yes, I know. I love you too, honey.
I don't care. I hate you, Raji.
Honey, reach me, honey. Honey, 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 where you go?
What we have to do now? Everything is going to open. What do you mean, Milo? You know, everything about Anissa and Raji. Anissa was anxious to Raji that she had a bad this and it was.
Oh, I see. I know that is very terrible and cheating are very bad habit.
And now everything is broken, so I don't know about
You
that.
just shut up, you monger. I don't want Raji here and know about my cheating.
Oh, I see. You cheat me a long time.
No, Raji, no. I didn't cheat you. I really love you. I know I just hate you, but I don't know how to make it happen. I was proud to do so.
I don't believe you anymore. It is okay, Anissa. It's okay.
No, Raji, no, with me. What? Why are you crying? Tell me what?
I'm so sad, Intan. I won't believe Raji again. He cheat me.
What? What do you say?
Anissa and Raji have affair.
Don't cry. I will be for you.
Honey, honey, it is wrong. I want to explain about
I
Anissa,
won't believe
honey.
you again. You cheat me.
Please tell me.
I don't care.
Hey, what's going on here?
Raji, it's silent.
Oh, you tell her just now. How long had I told you to tell her about that?
I'm not brave telling about that.
I don't believe it.